Okay, let's try one more problem just to give you an idea of how to play around with these linear and angular velocity problems. So what we've got is a situation where we've got the Earth. So let me just draw the picture out for you here. So we've got the Earth. Okay, there it is. And then we'll put the moon here in yellow. And of course the moon has an orbit around the Earth. Okay. And it also has a distance, a radius value from the Earth. Now in this problem specifically, we're assuming that we're coming from the center of the Earth. It's fairly negligible, because the Earth's radius compared to the total radius here isn't that much difference. But if you want to be more accurate, of course, you could add that that radius in there as well. So from the moon to the Earth, we're saying that it is the radius value. Okay, let's write it over here. Is 2.39 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, so basically that's 2.39 with the decimal place moved over to the right 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put our zeros in there. Okay, so there's my new decimal place. So that's going to be 239,000 miles for the distance. So 239,000 miles away. That's a fairly large distance. Okay, next, we've got that it takes 27.3 days to orbit. So the length of time it takes to go around is 27.3 days. The question is how fast is the moon traveling in miles per hour? So what we'll do is first we'll figure out what is the total distance the moon has to travel to make one revolution. So I want to know how far around. So I've got a circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 times 3.14 times the radius value of 239,000. So go ahead and grab your calculator and we'll do that multiplication out. It looks like I'm getting 1,500,920. Okay, so 1,500,920 miles. So that's the distance the moon has to travel. And it does that every 27.3 days. What I want to know is how long does it take to do it, or how far can it travel in 1 hour? So we've got 1,500,920, and that's miles. It travels in 27.3 days. Now I want it miles per hours, so I gotta put days on top here so that they cancel, and hours on the bottom here. So in 1 day, we know we've got 24 hours. Notice now the days cancel out, and I'm left with miles per hour. So we'll just multiply across. So we've got that 1,500,920, and now that number is going to be divided by 27.3 times this 24, and that gives us 2290.78. So what is this? This is 2,290.78 miles per hour. So the moon's traveling pretty fast. Okay. Now, if you think about what always amazes me, and I have this in that question there at the bottom, is think about how fast that moon is traveling, and to shoot a rocket out and intercept that moon as it travels and hit them exactly at the precise spot up here. That's fairly impressive.